readers! Today is Wednesday, March 25th. It's Miss Murillo here in the Closet Classroom, and I'm so excited to learn with you again today. Now, I thought I'd change things up, and instead of talking about what national day it is, I thought we'd talk about what national month it is. And March is National Peanut Month. Now, did you know that it takes 540 peanuts to make one small jar of peanut butter? That's a lot of peanuts. And did you know peanut butter was originally invented for people to eat that didn't have any teeth? No teeth. Now, here's something about Miss Murillo that you might not know. When I was little, my grandma used to always make me peanut butter and bologna sandwiches for lunch. Now, it might sound gross to you, but I promise you, if you try it, you will love it. Okay, so let's get learning today. For math today, they want us to count and sort again and use complete sentences. So I grabbed some stuff from my pantry that we can count together. So let me move this here and let's see what I brought. Okay, I grabbed some things from my pantry and put them in this basket. Let's count together. Now, these are some of my favorite things. The very first thing I grabbed was one of my favorite snacks to eat, popcorn. Let's count them together and see how many I have. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Miss Murillo has 20 bags of microwave popcorn in her pantry. I told you I love it and I eat it every day. All right, let's see what else I have in my pantry. I also love to eat granola bars, especially this one. They have like a vanilla chip to them. They're so yummy. All right, let's see if I have more granola bars or less granola bars than popcorn. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, using my complete sentence, I counted 7 granola bars all together. So, are there more granola bars in this group or are there more popcorn bags in this group? Right, there's more popcorn in this group. 20 is greater than 7. All right, I have one more item in my basket. Now, here's something else you may not know about Miss Murillo, but don't tell anybody. In my kitchen, if you open up one of my drawers, it is filled with candy and chocolate. I love candy and chocolate, and every day after dinner, I like to eat 1 or 2 pieces. Okay, so out of my special candy drawer, I pulled some lollipops. So let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I counted 8 lollipops all together. So let's see. There are 8 lollipops in this group, and there were 7 granola bars in this group. Which is greater, 8 or 7? Good job. Now let's compare lollipops with the popcorn. Are there less bags of popcorn or are there less lollipops? Good job. There are less lollipops because 7 is less than 20. Good job counting, friends. All right, let's put this back in my basket, and we can do the next thing on our packet, which is reading. I miss hearing you guys read your stories to me every day. Okay, Miss Marilla's back. All right, so today at our school, it is What You Readin' Wednesday. So I thought I'd show you what Miss Marilla was reading. So one of the books I'm reading is this book. It's called Ready, Set, Go. And you can see that I have bookmarked a couple pages with some sticky notes because this book is all about putting movement into my lessons with you in the classroom. So I have a lot of new games that I can't wait to try with you in this book. And the other 2 books that I've been reading this week is recipe books. This one is all about different kinds of cookies. So my daughter Lauren and I are trying to figure out what cookie do we want to make for dessert tonight for dinner. They all look so good in this book. And then when I was looking at my recipe books, I found this big one. Look how big this one. And again, look at the front. I'm telling you, Miss Marilla loves her chocolate. This is my Hershey recipe book. And inside, again, it's filled with chocolate puddings and brownies and cookies and pies that I can't wait to try. So this is what I'm going to read tonight and see if I can come up with some special treats for my family for dinner this week. Okay, friends, I'm going to read you this book today called The Baobab and the Elephant. It was published by National Geographic and it was written by Curtis Kolarski. I picked this one today because it's all about living things and we've been learning about trees and it's about the baobab tree. So let's read it and find out. The Baobab and the Elephant. Every living thing has basic needs, even 2 very different living things. The baobab tree needs a place to live and grow. So does the elephant. The baobab needs air. So does the elephant. The baobab needs water. So does the elephant. The baobab's roots spread out underground to take in water. And the elephant uses its trunk to lift the water to its mouth. Look at those roots on that page. The baobab needs food, so does the elephant. The baobab makes its own food. It uses light, air, and water to make food in its leaves. What is the elephant's favorite food? Oh, do you think you figured out what the elephant's favorite food is? Let's see if you're right. The baobab. Isn't that pretty cool how both are living things, but they both depend on each other? All right, I think it is time for a brain break. We have done math and we just read a story. So let's pretend that we are swimming in Jell-O. How would you swim in Jell-O? Do you think we could go really fast or do you think we'd have to go kind of slow? And I feel like we'd be sticking in that Jell-O as we swim. Oh, what about swimming in mud? I think that would be even harder to do. If you swim in mud, you have to dig, really use your arm muscles to try to swim through that mud. Oh. All right, now let's do this one. Do you remember this one? Hand on your nose, cross over to your ear, and when I say go, you need to switch. Ready? Switch. 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 Good job. All right, I think I'm ready to do some word work now. Are you ready? All right, today they want us to use the words in your packet under Cycle 13. So today we're going to tap out the words on our arm and we're going to write them. So if you want to get some paper and pencil to write them with me, go ahead. All right, I got my marker, and the first word that we are going to tap out is the word ham. Here we go. Ham. Let's see if we can write that together. Ham. As you write the letters, say the sound. Ham. Yes, we know this word. This word is a sight word, am. So instead of going we can blend these two sounds together because we are readers. Am, ham. So let's try that with a new word. Let's try to write the word jam, but don't go dum. See if you can blend it. Here we go. J-am, jam. See if you can spell jam. J-am, jam. What makes the J sound? J, am. See how this word has the same ending sound as this word? Now you can write a whole word family list of words that have the sound of am, like Pam would be another one to add to this list. All right, let's try another one. Let's try the word map. Here we go. Map. All right, let's write that. Map. M-A-P. Map. Now look at this ending sound. Do you think we could blend that together to tap out the word lap? Let's try it. L-ap. Lap. One more time. L-ap. Lap. Let's see if we can write lap. L-ap. Lap. See how they both have the same ending sound? Now you can try today to make a whole list of word families that have the ap sound. All right, let's do one more together. Let's spell the word sat. Here we go. S-A-T. Sat. All right, let's write sat. S-A-T. A-T. Sat. Look at this, my friends. I see a sight word, at. So that tells me we do not have to go at because we know at. We can go at. So let's use what we know to write the word mat. At. Mat. One more time. At. Mat. Let's see if we can write mat. At. M-A-T. You know the sight word at? I challenge you today to make a long list of words in the word family of at. Okay, friends, the last thing we're going to do is science. And guess what? I went outside in my backyard for science today. Let's go. Hi scientists, it's Miss Murillo in her backyard, and I thought I would come out here and look at a tree to do my 5 senses activity on our packet today. So I'm going to look at this tree, and I see long green needles. I also see some brown bark. And I see that the tree is pretty tall. It's taller than me. All right, let me touch it. The needles are very soft on this tree, but if I touch the bark, it's a little rough. The bark is a little rough. Now, let's see if I hear anything. Nope, not from the tree. I just hear the birds. I'm looking for my squirrel friend and I don't see him out here yet. All right, so I'm not going to taste the tree because I'm not a bird, but we've looked at it, we've touched it, I've listened. Let's see if the tree smells like anything. Oh, boys and girls, it smells a little piney, like a pine tree. Okay, scientists, I hope you go out in your backyard and use your 5 senses today.